everyone, welcome back to the channel where we explore exciting investment opportunities. Today we're diving into Airbus, a global leader in aerospace and defense. Whether you're passionate about aviation or looking for a strong player in the aerospace sector, Airbus is a company worth considering. We'll break down 15 key reasons why Airbus is a solid investment and one potential risk to keep in mind. Let's get into it. This is Wealth Velocity. Here you create, protect, and grow your wealth fast. Before we begin, just a quick reminder. This video is for informational purposes only and is not intended to be individual financial advice. Investing carries risks, so make sure to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions. Airbus is one of the largest aerospace manufacturers in the world, and its operations span three core divisions: commercial aircraft, defense and space, and helicopters. In commercial aviation, Airbus produces some of the most widely used passenger planes globally, including the A320, A330, and A350. These models cater to airlines of all sizes, from low-cost carriers to premium international airlines. In defense, Airbus produces military transport planes like the A400M and aerial refueling aircraft. Its space division works on satellites, launch systems, and even exploration missions, partnering with government agencies and private companies alike. Finally, Airbus Helicopters provides versatile rotorcraft used in everything from search and rescue operations to military defense. Airbus's diversified business model, spanning both civilian and military markets, offers multiple revenue streams, balancing the cyclical nature of commercial aviation with the more stable, long-term contracts from governments and space agencies. Airbus stands as one of the two giants in the global aviation industry, alongside Boeing. The A320 family, known for its single-aisle design and efficiency, is the world's best-selling aircraft model. Additionally, Airbus's wide-body A350 and A330 planes are favored for long-haul international routes, making it a top choice for airlines looking to balance operational costs with passenger comfort. With air traffic demand set to recover post-pandemic and continue growing, Airbus's position as a leader in commercial aviation means it will capture a significant portion of the market for new aircraft. Airlines worldwide are looking to upgrade fleets with more fuel-efficient models, and Airbus's range offers solutions for every segment, positioning it for long-term success. Airbus boasts a substantial order backlog of over 7,000 aircraft, ensuring future revenue for the next several years. These orders, placed by airlines and leasing companies worldwide, include a mix of short-haul, medium-haul, and long-haul aircraft. This backlog represents tens of billions of euros in future revenue. A strong order backlog ensures that Airbus has a steady pipeline of revenue. Even if the global economy faces turbulence, Airbus has secured income through these orders, giving it financial predictability and stability. For investors, a solid backlog minimizes short-term market volatility risks and ensures long-term revenue. Airbus's Defense and Space Division is an important growth driver, providing military aircraft satellites and security systems. The company produces the A400M military transport aircraft, which is used by several European air forces and is a major player in satellite technology and space exploration. Defense spending remains steady, even during economic downturns, making Airbus's presence in this sector crucial for stability. Additionally, as global demand for satellite technology and space exploration increases, Airbus is well positioned to capture a growing share of this market. Space is a long-term growth area with significant investment opportunities in areas like satellite internet Earth observation and space exploration. Airbus is committed to sustainability and has set ambitious goals to lead the aviation industry's shift toward environmentally friendly solutions. The company is working on hydrogen-powered aircraft and aims to introduce the first zero-emission commercial aircraft by 2035. Airbus is also focusing on improving the fuel efficiency of its current fleet by developing lightweight materials and advanced aerodynamics. As governments and airlines prioritize sustainability, Airbus's leadership in green aviation technology gives it a competitive edge. Airlines are under pressure to reduce their carbon emissions, and Airbus's focus on hydrogen and other clean technologies positions it as a key player in the industry's future. Investing in Airbus means aligning with a company that's focused on the long-term transformation of aviation. Airbus's global footprint is vast, with manufacturing, engineering, and service centers located across multiple continents. In recent years, the company has strategically expanded into high-growth regions like the Asia-Pacific, where demand for air travel is expected to surge in the coming decades. By having a strong presence in emerging markets, particularly in Asia, Airbus can capitalize on the growing middle-class populations and rising disposable incomes that are driving demand for air travel. The Asia-Pacific region is expected to account for nearly 40% of global aircraft demand over the next 20 years, making Airbus's expansion in these regions a major growth opportunity. Airbus Helicopters is the world's leading provider of civil helicopters, with a strong presence in both the private and public sectors. Its helicopter models are used for a wide range of missions, from medical evacuation and search and rescue operations to military transport and reconnaissance. Helicopters are critical in industries that require agile, high-performance aircraft, and Airbus's leadership in this sector provides a diversified and steady revenue stream. As governments and private sectors continue to invest in emergency services, law enforcement, and military capabilities, the demand for helicopters will remain robust, further stabilizing Airbus's revenue base. Airbus has developed strategic partnerships with other aerospace and defense companies to accelerate innovation and access new markets. Notable partnerships include joint ventures in military aircraft production, satellite technology, and space exploration. Airbus is also a partner in major international space initiatives like the European Space Agency's programs. These partnerships not only help Airbus share the financial and technical burden of developing new technologies, but they also open up additional revenue streams. Collaborations with government agencies and private firms allow Airbus to expand its market share in sectors like space and defense, while keeping pace with cutting-edge technologies. Airbus's revenue is spread across commercial aviation, defense, space, and helicopters, making it less vulnerable to downturns in any one sector. While commercial aviation remains its largest segment, the company's defense and space divisions provide stability during periods of commercial aviation downturns. Diversified revenue streams are critical for companies operating in cyclical industries like aerospace. By having multiple income sources, Airbus is able to weather economic slowdowns more effectively, giving investors more confidence in the company's long-term financial health. Airbus has consistently been at the forefront of aerospace technology. From its A320neo family, which delivers superior fuel efficiency, to the A350's advanced materials and aerodynamics, Airbus's focus on innovation has helped airlines reduce operating costs and emissions. Additionally, the company is investing in cutting-edge technologies like artificial intelligence and advanced manufacturing techniques. Innovation is what keeps Airbus competitive in a high-tech industry. By constantly pushing the boundaries of aerospace technology, Airbus ensures that its products remain in high demand by airlines looking for more efficient, cost-effective, and sustainable solutions. This technological leadership translates into higher margins and long-term competitive advantage. Airbus maintains a solid balance sheet with a strong cash position and manageable debt. This financial strength allows the company to weather economic downturns, invest in new technologies, and return value to shareholders through dividends and share buybacks. Having a strong financial foundation is crucial for long-term stability and growth. Airbus's financial health means it can continue to invest in R&D, expand its operations, and provide returns to shareholders, making it a safer bet for long-term investors looking for stability. Airbus generates a significant portion of its revenue from aftermarket services, including maintenance, repair, and parts supply. As the global fleet of Airbus aircraft grows, the demand for these high-margin services increases. Aftermarket services are a high-margin recurring revenue stream for Airbus. These services ensure that the company continues to generate revenue even after aircraft are delivered. As the number of Airbus planes in operation grows, so does the demand for maintenance and repair services, providing consistent cash flow. The long-term outlook for the global aviation industry is positive, with air travel expected to grow at an average annual rate of 4 to 5% over the next 2 decades. This is driven by increasing demand in emerging markets, particularly in Asia and the Middle East, as well as the need to replace aging aircraft fleets. The aviation industry's growth means consistent demand for new aircraft, especially as airlines prioritize fuel-efficient models to reduce operating costs and carbon emissions. Airbus is well positioned to capture a large share of this demand, ensuring strong revenue growth over the long term. Airbus has a strong history of paying dividends to shareholders, and as the company's financial performance improves, there is potential for further dividend growth in the coming years. Airbus's ability to return capital to shareholders reflects its stable cash flow and commitment to rewarding investors. Dividend payments are a key factor for income-focused investors. As Airbus recovers from the pandemic and continues to grow, the potential for increased dividend payouts makes it an attractive option for those seeking both growth and income from their investments. Airbus is investing in the future of urban air mobility with its City Airbus initiative, which focuses on developing electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft. These aircraft are designed to provide air taxi services, which could transform urban transportation in the future. Urban air mobility is an emerging sector with huge potential for growth as cities around the world look for solutions to traffic congestion. By investing early in this space, Airbus is positioning itself as a leader in a new market that could become a significant revenue stream in the decades to come. Like many companies in the aerospace industry, Airbus was hit hard by the COVID-19 pandemic, which caused a massive decline in air travel and aircraft orders. However, Airbus has shown resilience in its recovery by streamlining operations, reducing costs, and securing new orders from airlines as travel demand rebounds. Airbus's ability to adapt and recover from the pandemic demonstrates the company's operational strength and resilience. For investors, this resilience provides confidence that Airbus can navigate future challenges while continuing to grow and innovate. While Airbus is a leader in the aerospace industry, it remains vulnerable to cyclical downturns in the commercial aviation market. Economic recessions, geopolitical tensions, or global events like pandemics can lead to a significant decline in air travel, which in turn impacts demand for new aircraft. Commercial aviation is a highly cyclical industry, and downturns can result in order cancellations, reduced deliveries, and lower revenues. Investors seeking stability during economic turbulence should consider this risk, as it could lead to short-term volatility in Airbus's stock. That wraps up our 15 reasons why Airbus could be a strong investment, along with one key risk to consider. As always, remember that investing involves risks, so make sure to do your own research and consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you next time with more money in your pocket.